This video will show you how to access specials in Google Meets. If you don't know your special schedule or your specials time, please get that information from your homeroom teacher. First thing you want to do is log into your Wake ID portal. So you're going to go to Student, enter your Wake ID, and then enter your password. From there are two different ways that you can get to Google Meet once you are logged in. Way number one, accessing Google Meet from your Google Drive. So once you're inside your Wake ID portal, you can go to Google Drive. In Google Drive, you will see this waffle-looking icon up at the top right, where your Google Apps are. You are going to click that and it is going to give you an icon for Google Meet. Go ahead and click that Google Meet. This will take you up to the screen where you need to enter your Google Meet code. Way number two, going straight to meet.google.com. If you don't want to go through Google Drive, you could always go straight to meet.google.com. To do that, you would open a new tab and go to meet.google.com and hit enter. That method will also take you to the Google Meet launch page. Now that is where you're going to enter your meeting code. Now, in order to get the right code, you will need to know what special you have. So let's say it's Tuesday, and on Tuesdays you have media with Miss Powell. You will need Miss Powell's Google Meet code. So on Tuesdays, when it's my time for specials, I'm going to type in EGES Media. That's the code that's going to take me to Miss Powell's class. So right where it says use a meeting code, I'm going to enter EGES Media. And I'm going to hit continue. Now, it's not my time for specials right now, so it tells me you're not allowed to start a meeting. But if this was my time for specials, this is what happens when you enter the code. Your teacher will join the Google Meet about 1 to 2 minutes before your time. So if your Google Meet isn't until 1 o'clock p.m., you might not be able to log on before 12:58. So if it's my time for a meeting, I'm going to go right back to use a meeting code, type in the code for media, and since it is my time to log on to media, when I press continue, it's going to let me join. And from there, I can join the Google Meet for my classes special. Remember, if you have any questions about what day you have specials, which special you have, or what time you have specials, please contact your homeroom teacher. We look forward to seeing you guys every day.